Hello and welcome to Mastering Microsoft Power Query video series. This is video number 17 where we're going to talk about inner join type while you merge the queries. Without much ado, let's get into the Power Query and let's load the data sets and let's try to understand what is inner join type. All right, so we're going to get into the fourth type of the join, which is inner join. So in the last three videos, you understood left outer, right outer, and full outer. Now, left outer or right outer or full outer is giving you matched as well as unmatched. Now, what is inner join is? You want to see only the matched records. You do not want to see the unmatched ones at all, meaning you do not want to see the null in any places in your merged queries. Okay, so let's go ahead and load the data and let's check out what we are talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the Power Query editor as usual. So let's go to data, get data, launch Power Query Editor. In the Power Query Editor, in the Home tab, we go to the New Query Group, New Source File, Excel Workbook, and we're going to choose the inner join data set. And again, it's the same data set I'm using so that it's easy for us to understand. So what we're talking about, there are two data sets we are loading, and we're going to click OK. Since they are simple tables, there is no need of any transformations. We're going to simply agree whatever been done by the Power Query editor, which is promoted headers and change type steps are perfectly fine with it. Now, understand what we really want to see here is we want to see only those material IDs which have the cost and which are planned. We do not want to see the unmatched material IDs in either of the tables at all. So we're going to go to the material cost. For this one, what I'm going to do is I can even do it on the material cost itself, or I can merge it as a new so that you can see that we only see the records which are matched in both the sides. Okay, so ideally, in simplest way, if I have to tell you, inner join means you will see only the matched records, no null at all at the end of the day. So let's go to the Home tab, let's go to the merge queries, but this time to make your understanding easier, I'm going to go for merge queries as new. And when you go for merge queries as new, you do have a choice to decide which one you want to keep it as your top table or left table, okay, or the first table. It's up to you to decide it, but that's not the case when you start from the table where you want to do the merge. All right, so here I want to keep the material cost. It's not going to make a difference here whether you want to keep the material cost or production requirement, because you're going to see at the end of the day only the matching records from both the tables. So it's your choice basically which one you want to keep it as the top or left or the first. So we're going to choose the production requirement. The common column is the material ID. Now this time I want to go ahead and choose inner join, only matching rows. Now watch, it's going to show me only the matching rows from both the tables, no null at all. So let's go ahead and click OK, and we're going to get a new query created, and I'm going to say only the matched material IDs. Okay, so this is something new. If you could see, I'm gonna go here and click, and I'm gonna I'm sure that I can deselect these two, because definitely I'm going to see only the matched records. Well, if you want to have this original column prefix, you can have it, but still I'm going to leave it as it is to show you the difference. Now, if you could see here, we got the results and we do not have the null in either of the sides. It's all complete. So if you click here, there is no null. And if you click on the production requirement side, there's no null. So you are seeing only those material IDs which are planned and which has the cost. All right, so that is inner join. So remember, inner join is the type you will go when you do not want to see the unmatched at all. your concern is only on the matched records only. All right, so with this we have come to the end of the video, and we still got only 2 more type of joins left out. Do follow us on those videos. Until then, take care of yourself. Signing off, Hariharan.